Hey everyone, Mr. Calwin here, and welcome back to Calwin Health TV, where we explore the incredible world of natural healing. There's a certain magic to harnessing the power of nature to heal our bodies. It's a practice that's been around for centuries, passed down through generations. And you know what? It truly works. That's right. Natural remedies can be just as powerful as conventional medicine, and they come with fewer side effects. Today, I'm challenging myself to find and try out the easiest natural healing remedies for common ailments. Will they work? Let's find out together. Let's kick things off with a common ailment we've all experienced at some point: an upset stomach. Whether it's indigestion, bloating, or that nauseous feeling, a troubled tummy can really throw off your whole day. But fear not, because Mother Nature has a solution for us, and it comes in the form of a humble root: ginger. You see, ginger has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries, renowned for its incredible digestive benefits. It contains compounds like gingerols and shogols that possess powerful anti-inflammatory and antiemetic properties. In simpler terms, these compounds help calm down the inflammation in your gut and ease that queasy feeling.
Now let's talk about how you can easily incorporate ginger into your daily life to combat digestive discomfort. One of the simplest and most effective ways is by making yourself a soothing cup of ginger tea. Imagine this: it's a chilly evening and you feel a bit bloated after a heavy meal. You head to your kitchen, the aroma of spices filling the air. You grab a piece of fresh ginger root, its knobby shape and earthy scent reminding you of its potency. With a sharp knife, you slice off a few thin pieces of ginger, their pale yellow flesh a stark contrast to the brown skin. As you drop them into a pot of boiling water, the steam carries the sharp, invigorating scent of ginger, instantly awakening your senses. Let the ginger infuse its magic into the water for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing its healing properties to seep into every molecule. As the water turns into a beautiful golden hue, you know it's almost ready. Now, for an extra zing and a boost of vitamin C, squeeze in some fresh lemon juice. The tartness of the lemon perfectly complements the warmth of the ginger, creating a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate. Pour yourself a cup, inhale the steam, and let each sip of this golden elixir soothe your stomach, easing away the discomfort. You see, natural remedies don't have to be complicated. With ginger by your side, you can easily find relief and restore harmony to your digestive system.
Let's move on to another common issue: skin irritations. Whether it's a pesky sunburn, a rash, or just dry, itchy skin, these irritations can be incredibly uncomfortable. But before you rush to the pharmacy for expensive creams, let's turn to nature's medicine cabinet for a solution: aloe vera. Aloe vera, often dubbed the burn plant, has been treasured for its medicinal properties for centuries. This succulent plant with its fleshy leaves holds a secret: a gel that's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This gel is a true miracle worker when it comes to soothing and healing irritated skin.
Think about it. You're out on a sunny day, enjoying the warmth on your skin, but later, you realize you've stayed out a bit too long, and your skin is starting to feel the heat. It's red, it's hot, and it's starting to sting. You reach for a fresh aloe vera leaf, its coolness a welcome contrast to your burning skin. You carefully slice it open, revealing the clear, gel-like substance inside. This gel, cool to the touch, is like a soothing balm on your inflamed skin. As you apply the gel, it's instantly absorbed, providing immediate relief from the burning sensation. The vitamins and antioxidants in the gel work their magic, reducing inflammation, promoting healing, and even minimizing scarring. And the best part? Aloe vera is incredibly versatile. It's not just for sunburns. You can use it to soothe eczema, rashes, insect bites, and even acne. It's like having a first aid kit in a plant. So next time your skin is feeling irritated, remember the power of aloe vera. This natural remedy is easily accessible, affordable, and incredibly effective. Keep a plant at home, and you'll always have a soothing solution at your fingertips.
Chapter 3.
Now let's talk about a common ailment that tends to plague us, especially during the colder months: the dreaded sore throat. That scratchy, itchy, sometimes even painful feeling can really put a damper on your day.
But before you reach for over-the-counter lozenges, let's explore a natural remedy that's been used for centuries: honey. Honey, often referred to as liquid gold, is not just a natural sweetener but a powerhouse of medicinal properties. It's naturally antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal, making it a formidable opponent against those pesky microbes that cause sore throats.
Imagine this. You wake up with a scratchy throat, a telltale sign of a cold creeping in. You head to the kitchen, drawn by the sweet aroma emanating from a jar of golden honey. You scoop a spoonful of this liquid gold, its thick, viscous texture coating your throat with each swallow. The sweetness gently soothes the irritation, while the honey's natural healing properties get to work, fighting off the infection.
But here's a little secret to enhance honey's effectiveness: cinnamon. This warm, aromatic spice is not just a baking staple. It also boasts potent antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. You sprinkle a dash of cinnamon into a cup of warm water, its earthy aroma filling the air. As you stir in the honey, it dissolves into the water, creating a comforting, golden elixir.
Each sip of this warm honey cinnamon drink is like a warm hug for your throat. The honey coats and soothes, while the cinnamon adds its antibacterial punch, working together to alleviate the pain and fight off the infection. So, next time a sore throat threatens to ruin your day, remember the power of honey and cinnamon. These two kitchen staples, working in perfect harmony, can provide natural relief and have you feeling better in no time.
Chapter 4.
Now, in addition to addressing specific ailments, it's also important to focus on strengthening our body's natural defenses, our immune system. And when it comes to boosting immunity, there's a dynamic duo that deserves a standing ovation: fermented garlic and honey.
Garlic, with its pungent aroma and sharp taste, has been recognized for its medicinal properties for centuries. It contains a compound called allicin, a powerful antimicrobial agent that acts like a natural antibiotic, fighting off infections. Honey, as we've discussed, is a treasure trove of antioxidants and enzymes, further enhancing the immune-boosting properties of this potent combination.
But here's the secret: fermenting the garlic in honey takes its potency to a whole new level. Imagine this. You have a jar of raw, unpasteurized honey, its golden hue a testament to its purity. You peel fresh garlic cloves, their pungent aroma filling the air, a sign of their potency. You carefully place these peeled garlic cloves into the honey, ensuring they're fully submerged in this liquid gold. As the garlic sits in the honey, a magical transformation takes place: fermentation.
Over the next few days, the honey works its magic, breaking down the garlic, making its beneficial compounds even more bioavailable. The allicin in garlic transforms into other sulfur-containing compounds, further enhancing its immune-boosting properties. This fermented garlic honey concoction is like a superhero for your immune system. It's packed with antioxidants, enzymes, and antimicrobial agents, all working together to strengthen your body's natural defenses.
A spoonful a day can help ward off colds, flu, and other infections. You can add it to your morning tea, drizzle it over toast, or simply enjoy it straight from the spoon. So, if you're looking for a natural way to supercharge your immune system, look no further than fermented garlic in honey. It's easy to make, incredibly potent, and a delicious way to stay healthy all year round.
Today, we covered remedies for your tummy, throat, and skin, and even a secret immunity booster. See how simple it is to incorporate these into your daily life? Natural healing really can be easy. Now it's your turn. Share your favorite natural remedies in the comments below. I'd love to try them. And don't forget to check out our video on holistic health tips right here on Calwin Health TV. Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing health hacks. Stay healthy and happy, everyone.